Okay.
Okay, I get it.
Have you
Yes,
had also recording in progress?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just please start asking your question, introduce yourself, then I will answer the questions and introduce myself.
Okay, just enjoy question.
Mhm.
How are you?
I'm perfect. Every time better than the previous time. Yeah.
So you know, I mean, but English, my English is like, and yeah, yesterday you give me spirit, you give me, wow, yeah, like that.
In fact, it makes me very happy to say this. I'm just, what can I say, more than proud of hearing this, okay? I think you don't need me to give you spirit because you are, I think, that kind of person who is working hard on herself, and everything you just need is to know what the next step is, okay? Otherwise, I think you are just that kind of enthusiastic person, who will be able to achieve unbelievable things if she wants.
Honorable for me.
We will see. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry because our video recording yesterday turned out to have no sound.
It's fine. Totally fine. Yeah. These things happen, but I mean, when you start working, maybe in a couple of years, I would advise you to make always an attempt between you and, for example, yourself or someone else. This way you avoid similar scenarios. Because, for example, now when I'm working, if something like this happens, I mean, my professor or my supervisor will not understand an excuse. They always say, we just judge you according to results, not to circumstances. Do you understand me? That's why, I mean, it's good to learn how to avoid similar scenarios in the future. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the topic.
Okay.
How about your work?
Okay. In the beginning, as you know, I came originally from Yemen, okay? In my homeland, I studied telecommunication engineering. Telecommunication. Yeah, telecommunication.
Oh.
This phone, when you call someone with this phone, there are many processes that happen in the phone, in the base station, in the central, and in the way to that person. These processes that are more complicated than what you can imagine. That's why it's a new kind of study, which is called telecommunication. It's a little bit near to computer engineering and also to physics, because we work a lot with waves and we also work with programming. Okay.
I don't understand learning of programming.
In fact,
I think it's hard.
yeah, look, it's I wouldn't exaggerate and say it's very hard, but the thing is, in fact, programming, whenever you master it, it simplifies things for you. There are many things that instead of making an experiment in the real world, because these experiments are going to be very expensive and time consuming, we just write a program, a simulation for these experiments, and everything happens automatically. Do you understand me? But I would also advise you, if you can, you can maybe learn a little bit about programming, because who knows, maybe in the future, you will need to simulate something.
Yeah, but I think I have a friend to learning a programming.
Mhm.
He is so stressed because it's hard.
Mhm. Yeah, look, programming as a major, yeah, it is hard, because in the end you understand, or let's say you learn many programming languages. Okay, you also learn how these programs or these code words are getting processed in the computer. But usually learning just one programming language or two programming languages is very helpful for people who are not specialized in programming. You understand me? As a telecommunication engineer, for example, I know a lot about MATLAB. For example,
Not,
I program with MATLAB. Yeah, MATLAB is a simulation language, not a programming language. I also need sometimes to implement things with Python. In my bachelor thesis, I have programmed something with Visual Basic. So it's learnable, and it's always better when you need to have, when you need, I mean, to program something, that you have at least a background about it. This gives you always advantage in the future.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think
Mm.
so. You can uh, after that you graduate in your university and
Mhm.
get doctor doctor.
I finished my bachelor in the beginning in my homeland. Okay. I traveled now to Germany. I have finished my
Oh
master
wow.
degree here, and now I'm writing the PhD. Yeah, I'm trying to get a doctor title. Okay, now I'm writing my PhD in the university and working as a scientific researcher. Maybe within 2 years, I will get the title, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
And in Germany, and you where yesterday you say where
In Gem-
you born in?
Yemen, it's an
Yeah.
Arabic land. Yeah.
And now you are you in German.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, I looking. I see it's what is it? Sun.
We have a desert. There is a big desert in my homeland.
There 20:38 p.m.
Ah, you mean how the time? You mean
Yeah, the
what the
time.
time now? Yeah, yeah. The difference between Germany and my homeland is 1 hour.
So far. I hope I see you in Germany.
Yeah, I hope that too. Just when you finish maybe your bachelor, okay, try to learn the language. Okay, here in Germany, you can study in the university and work in the same time.
Oh,
Okay, yeah, this is what usually students do. We come here, we study, and we work on the same time. I mean, it's makeable. There are many part-time jobs here. Usually students earn like €9 per hour. So if you work for one day, 8 hours in a day, 2 days a week, you will get in the end of the month like €650.
oh,
Yeah, which this amount of money that can help you live with it. In the vacation between semesters, there is a month. There are many students who are also working in that month. When I was a student, I worked once in that month in Volkswagen. Do you know the cars, Volkswagen? Volkswagen, the German car. The car.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a car which is called Volkswagen. I worked in the factory there for 1 month, and they gave me 2,000 euros when I was a student.
2,000 euro.
Yeah, just for 1 month.
Wow.
Yeah.
In Indonesia, 1 euro is how many rupiah?
How do you know what's the difference between dollar and European, Indonesian Rupiah? I'll check it out.
Yeah, 1 euro is 16 rupiah in Indonesia.
Yeah. So which means 16, which means 2,000 euros are almost 32,000. 32,000, I think. You have pressed mute.
Yeah, 32.
Yeah, 32,000.
Yeah, 32 rupiah.
Yeah, for a student, just for 1 month.
For 1 month.
Yeah, as a student.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why I told you it's makeable to travel here to Germany and study. Okay? Yeah.
I want to, but I have to study hard.
Exactly. Yeah, you have to study hard because when you come with a good background to Germany here, you finish your master's with a high grade, then you have many offers of work.
Okay, sorry.
No, no problem.
That's my neighbor. I have a mini market in my house.
Ah.
Yeah,
So you're also selling things?
Yeah. Seller.
Wow. In spite of the fact that you are still young, but you are taking, I mean, responsibility.
Yeah, but it's mini market, parents mini market.
Yeah, but you are helping your parents.
Yeah, it's seller again, my neighbor. But in Indonesia, mini market is like this.
Yeah, yeah. It's like my homeland.
Lidl.
I know. It's like in my homeland. Yeah. Here in Germany, in fact, it's not common to find a mini market. It's a
Really?
bad thing. It's a bad thing, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah, it's my what is it? It's my daily activity to waiting my parents' mini market.
Okay. Good.
And other time I study.
I know someone in the past when I was in the school. He
Mhm.
also had, or not him. I mean, he was working in a mini mart in my homeland. In fact, that guy was very smart. Yeah. I think those who are working and studying in the same time, they are the smartest. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a time. You have many time to break.
To pray?
Break.
Break what? A break, you mean?
Break. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, I consider this time as a break time from my work.
The record up to 10 minutes.
Are you talking with me?
10 minutes or over.
Oh, moment. In fact, uh, should I stop it? Huh?
Um, if you think it's enough,
I think it's enough. Yeah. Should I
5
stop?
to 10 minutes.
A moment. In fact, I cannot see where I see the time of the recording. I just see two buttons to stop or to pause. But if you want, we can stop it. And if it's not long enough, we can make another recording. Is that okay?
But it's okay.
Sorry?
It's okay.
Okay.